Hello everyone, today we are in the town center of Palmoli, a small welcoming village at just 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic Coast with all kinds of basic facilities. And today we are looking at this large townhouse that measures approximately 287 square meters and it is arranged over 3 floors. The main entrance is on the ground floor, where there is a staircase that leads us to the first floor. Where we have access to the living area. And here we find a fully equipped kitchen with vaulted ceilings. And on the other side, at the end of the corridor, we find a bright and large living room with a window and a balcony. And a stove. This is the view from the balcony. It overlooks the main entrance. As you can see, the house is in perfect condition and it has been completely restored. On the same floor, we find a very spacious bedroom with a balcony and ensuite bathroom. With a quite large walk-in shower. As you can see, the windows are brand new and double glazed. Here we have a second bedroom. This one is a single bedroom. And on this side of the floor, we find a second large double bedroom. And this bedroom has also access to a small outside space. It is a paved patio. That is located just below the terrace. Here we have a second large bathroom with shower. And lastly, a second single bedroom. So in total on this floor we have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now we are going back to the kitchen. Because through this staircase we can reach the attic floor with exposed wooden beams. Currently this floor it is still in raw state. But it is used as a laundry space, as you can see, and it has access to a terrace. And this right here is the paved patio on the lower floor, on the first floor, connected to one of the double bedroom. Now we are back on the ground floor at the entrance because I wanted to show you the very large garage that also is included in the property. And throughout all this floor, we can find 3 stone cellars, all internally connected to each other and to the garage. Here we have also the big water tank, really useful in case of water shortage. This probably at some point was a working fireplace. Here we have another stone cellar. So the property has electricity, gas, and water connected, including central heating system, gas central heating system. The house is in perfect conditions, featuring brand new windows and shutters, and it is ready to live in. For more information, you can check the link in the description box or you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.